Hello and welcome everyone back to another episode of Ezoic Explains. I'm Tyler Bishop, and today I'm going to walk you through what tools you can use to create better how-to content. So in this case, we're going to be talking specifically about things that you might be looking at digitally. So as we dive right in, one of my favorite tools is actually one that we're using right now. So it's called Screencastify, and Screencastify you can use for free, but they also have a paid version. And so you can see here, all these are recordings that I've created over time. Often I will record things with a camera like we're doing now, and then as this records, I can actually link up the audio with what I'm saying so that we can walk people through the video of what I see on my screen at the exact same time. It uploads and backs up everything to a Google Drive automatically, and it works very easily by allowing you to simply use a Chrome extension to adjust things by tab, by desktop, using multiple screens, and yeah, it's a very easy tool to use. One of the nice benefits of it is you can actually...
So the idea...
You notice me playing a little audio there from one of my clips. You can actually turn these all into GIF or GIF files as well, depending on how you want to pronounce it. You can see here it says export to animated GIF or GIF. Your pronunciation is up to you. You can also export to an MP4. You can save the video to the disk. There's a lot of different options, but I really like Screencastify as a nice, easy tool for video screen capture. Another one, speaking of screen captures, is Awesome Screenshot. And what I like about Awesome Screenshot is that I can select a visible part of the page, I can select a local image to alter, or I can capture my entire desktop. It works really easily from a Chrome extension as well. Let's say I want to capture my desktop here. I can select the one that I want, and then from here I can actually crop it and say maybe I just want to highlight this part here where it's letting me share my screen. And then from here, maybe I want to draw an arrow. I can select the width, I can select the color, and I can draw myself an arrow right here pointing at this button right there. It's a picture within a picture here, the classic mirror paradigm. And so I've got an arrow here pointing. I can add some text. This is text. You can adjust your fonts and your sizes, and then once you're done, you can click done, and then you have multiple options for uploading or saving it, whether you want it as an image or as a PDF, or to send it to any other number of devices. I know that there's a lot of them. Awesome Screenshot I like because it gives a lot of different options in actually how you would capture the screenshot. And last but not least is actually one that we're going to go offline for. So this one actually is on my phone. So often you may be trying to show somebody how to do something on a phone or tablet, and one of the devices I really like is called RecordIt. So RecordIt, you can see here I've got it pulled up. What's going to allow me to do is I click on RecordIt, and I can capture my screen on my device. It's going to count me down in the same way that Screencastify does, and then when I exit out, I've got a little red bubble up here that's telling me my screen is recording. I can go through. You can see here I'm on the Ezoic website. I'm walking people through it. Maybe when I'm done, I finish, I press my red button. It asks me if I want to stop broadcasting. I press stop. And now it says screen recording video saved to app. So now I have that screen recording here in the app itself, and I can download that and send it to myself. And now we're going to actually embed this very video right here into the screen, so you'll be watching it back and forth as I talk. It's all synced up because we have it synced with both Screencastify and the video camera that you're watching on now. So actually, in a lot of ways, I'm showing you how to do Ezoic Explains. So hopefully, if you are creating how-to content or doing anything digitally where you need to capture aspects of the things you're doing, these tools are very affordable, or in many cases free, and you can use them to create better content. This has been another episode of Ezoic Explains.